Here are the basic procedures to follow in removal and installation. Put match marks on the clutch cover and the flywheel. And then set the crankshaft pulley holding tool. Loosen the set bolts in several passes in diagonal order. Remove the clutch cover carefully so as not to drop the clutch disc. Wipe off any abrasive particles on the cover carefully. Remember, keep the clutch disc facing, the pressure plate and the flywheel free of oil or other foreign matter. After necessary treatments, install the clutch disc and the cover. Apply a coat of molybdenum disulfide lithium base grease on the clutch disc splines. Be sure to set the clutch disc with its protruded side facing the clutch cover side. Insert the SST in the clutch disc. And then set the cover in position. Set the clutch cover according to the match marks. Gradually tighten the clutch cover set bolts in diagonal order, starting with the one near the knock pin. Before completely tightening the bolts, move the SST in all directions to make certain that the clutch disc is right at the center. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque.